Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by creating a new Google form and name it for your project or campaign. Add a short, clear description that explains purpose and estimated time to complete, about 2 minutes. Choose a template or start blank, depending on brand needs and reuse. Turn on collect email addresses and choose limit to 1 response if needed for accuracy. Open responses and click on the green Sheets icon to link a new Google Sheet for storage and review. Design questions with your business goals in mind, focusing on clarity and actionability. Use multiple choice, short answer, and linear scale question types to capture varied data. Place sensitive or optional questions later and mark required questions sparingly to avoid drop-offs. Group related questions into 3 sections to guide respondents and improve completion rates. Add concise helper text beneath complex questions to reduce confusion and speed responses. Preview the form on mobile and desktop to ensure layout and flow are consistent for all users. Share the form using the send button by link, email, or embed code for websites. Shorten links or add UTM parameters to track campaign performance and source of responses. Add up to 10 collaborators with edit access when you need team input or review. Monitor responses. Expect about a 25% baseline response rate depending on outreach method. Open the linked Google Sheet to filter, sort, and build charts for quick analysis. Export CSV or connect to Data Studio for dashboards and automated reporting to stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.